most amazing Kir Royale. We'll need a little lemon peel, a chilled coupe glass. Amazon link below. Rub the edge of the glass. And you are going to need to take your measuring cup and do Creme de Cassis, which is just basically a currant liqueur, or you could do blackberry liqueur, whichever one you prefer. We're just going to do about ½ ounce, not too much. Just going to pour that into the measuring. And if you're loving these recipes and you would like to keep getting more romantic ideas, just a bit romance back in everybody's life. It's my goal in life, and also to reverse the aging process and help everybody lose 40 pounds. I have lots of big goals in life. So anyhow, just hit subscribe, hit the notification button, hit the like button, and please keep loving these videos because you guys are just amazing and wonderful. We love you. Okay, so anyhow, we have a little bit of a bottle of champagne. And we're just going to pour that right in. And just see how amazing and beautiful that is. And this is not your boring grandma's mimosa. This is just something young and hip and fun. And cheers. So the first option is called the French 75. It's a very old drink named after a cannon. And the other drink is a Kir Royale. So you're going to need a beautiful gin. This is my favorite Japanese gin. I do love this gin. It's made with Japanese botanicals, but Tanqueray, any sort of dry gin that has that botanicals and juniper is what you're gonna want. Need a shaker, halfway full of cubed eggs. And we're going to take the measuring cup. We're gonna do the gin. And we're going to do 1 ounce of gin. And we're going to do the shaker. And then we're going to do a ½ ounce of lemon juice and ½ ounce of simple syrup. So I'm going to turn it over. And do half. And do another half of the simple syrup. Lovely. Into the glass. And then you are just going to top it with your champagne.